Hello, my name is Derek Thomas with the City and County of Denver. In this video, I will walk you through the lighting self-verification process for the Energize Denver Small Buildings Program. This process is intended for buildings that are already in compliance and do not require any lighting upgrades to meet the ordinance requirements. Please note, completing the verification may take several hours and will require basic tools such as a light meter or stepladder, depending on your building's layout and lighting setup. Let's get started. First, you'll want to download the Annex B lighting verification template. You can find the template by navigating to the Energize Denver website, the Building Performance Policy page. You'll scroll down and select Buildings 5,000 to 24,999 square feet. Next, you'll scroll down and you'll select Compliance Guide. Once you're on the Compliance Guide page, you'll scroll down and to your right side, you'll find a selection that's labeled as Find Energize Denver form. We'll select that. And then we'll scroll down and we will open up and download the lighting verification template. Once this download is completed, it will populate and you will open it, and this is where we will end up. After downloading the lighting verification template, you will see the following spreadsheet. The first two rows are filled out as an example, so you can erase these rows when you are ready to fill out a lighting verification template for your building. Under location type, we will highlight whether or not it is an interior, exterior. We will also include whether or not it's a parking area. Under location description, you will fill out a brief description of the area that you are verifying. Under existing fixture type, this is where you will note whether or not the light is LED. Under is the fixture LED, you will simply select yes or no. And under quantity, you will note how many fixtures exist in that area. This does not include the number of light bulbs on the specific fixture. After filling out this information, the numbers at the bottom of the chart will auto-populate. Next to percentages of fixtures that are LED, this does need to be at least 97% to submit for lighting self-verification. If your building does not meet this requirement, you will need to make lighting upgrades to your building. In this example, the room has two different types of fixtures. The first entry would be the location identifier, being a hallway, location type, interior, location description, wall pack lighting, existing fixture type is LED, and is the existing fixture type LED, you'll select yes. And the count will be represented by the number 4, showing here that the 4 rectangular fixtures in this space. So a second entry for that same room would be location identifier being the same hallway, location type, interior, location description, ceiling fixture or ceiling circular fixture here. Existing fixture type is going to be LED. Is the fixture type LED? We'll select yes, and then we'll record the count, which is 4, representing all identical circular fixtures in that room. Once all rooms and fixtures are reviewed and the spreadsheet is completed, it will automatically calculate the total number of LED fixtures. To meet compliance, at least 97% of all fixtures in the building must be LED. Next, you will fill out the letter of attestation form online. Again, you can find this form on the website by navigating to the Find and Energize Denver form page, scroll down to buildings 5,000 to 24,999 square feet, and we will select the letter of attestation. You will begin by filling out the basic information for your building here. Then you will fill out the date of the lighting audit. This would be the date that you filled out the lighting verification template for your building. In the section, I confirm that the lighting audit / verification was conducted for will include whether or not it was for a subunit of the building or the entire building. In the next section, The individual completing this letter, we will select is performing a self-verification. Next, in the I confirm that the above referenced building, we will select utilize LED for greater than or equal to 97% of the total lighting fixtures. Once that is complete, we'll sign, populate the reCAPTCHA, and submit the letter of attestation. A form site PDF will be delivered to your email, and you will be able to download the PDF. Lastly, you will fill out the lighting compliance form. You can find this form along with others on the Find and Energize Denver form page on our website. Under buildings 5,000 to 24,999 square feet, you will select the lighting compliance form, and a form page will open up. You will begin by filling out the contact information. Please note that the email address listed here will be contacted regarding the status of your lighting compliance form. Next, you will fill out your building's information. Please ensure you have entered the correct Denver building ID, as we use this to correctly match your submission to the building. If you need to find your ID, please use our lookup tool at lookup under 25k.energizedenver.com, and this will be the page that opens up. And if you cannot find your building, please don't hesitate to reach out to the help desk. Under select the scenario that applies to you, you will check I am a building owner performing a self-verification. This will allow you to upload the lighting verification template as well as the letter of attestation. When you upload the lighting verification template, please upload an Excel file, as we cannot accept screenshots or scans. Once this information has been uploaded and the percentage of fixtures that are LED has been populated, you will select whether or not this is for a sub portion of the building, or no, the submission covers the entire building. Next, you will date and sign the form and submit. You will receive an email submission of the building's lighting compliance result. Once we have reviewed the lighting compliance form, you will receive status updates on your submission from Energize Denver. Additionally, a small number of buildings are randomly selected for a site visit to confirm that the lighting verification template was completed accurately. If your building is selected, you will receive a direct communication from our team. Please note, if the audit reveals that your building is not in compliance, or if you do not respond to our outreach regarding the audit, you will lose the option to resubmit through self-verification and may be required to hire a lighting professional to complete the verification. Thank you again for doing your part to help Denver meet its energy goals. And that covers my overview on how to fill out the forms for lighting self-verification. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to the help desk by email at energizesmallbuildings@denvergov.org, or by phone at 844-536-4528. Thanks again for watching.